Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into finding the perfect family car that's both reliable and easy on the wallet. You need a car that's going to start every morning, get you where you need to go, and not cost a fortune to keep on the road. So buckle up and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with a true icon, the Toyota Corolla. This car has been a staple in the automotive world for decades, and for good reason. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of reliability and trust. When you think of a vehicle that can withstand the test of time, the Corolla is often the first that comes to mind. This car is famous for running forever. Owners often boast about their Corollas reaching 200,000, 300,000, or even more miles without major issues. It's not uncommon to see these cars still going strong after many years of service. The high mileage on the odometer is a testament to its durability. You see Corollas from the 90s still on the road today. These older models are a common sight, and they continue to perform reliably. The Corolla has evolved over the years, but its core values of longevity and dependability have remained unchanged. Each generation builds on the legacy of the previous one, ensuring that the Corolla remains a top choice for drivers. Toyota uses high-quality parts and tests these cars rigorously. The manufacturing process is meticulous, with each component undergoing stringent quality checks. This attention to detail ensures that every Corolla that rolls off the assembly line is built to last. The rigorous testing procedures simulate real-world conditions, so you can be confident that your Corolla will handle whatever comes its way. The Corolla's engine is simple and designed for efficiency and longevity. It's engineered to provide a balance of power and fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and long road trips alike. The straightforward design also means that maintenance is easier and less costly, contributing to the car's overall affordability. Parts are readily available and inexpensive, making repairs affordable. Whether you need a routine oil change or a more significant repair, you won't have to break the bank. The widespread availability of parts means that you can get your Corolla back on the road quickly, minimizing downtime and inconvenience. It's also practical and fuel-efficient with a spacious interior. The Corolla offers ample room for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile option for families, commuters, and adventurers. Its fuel efficiency means fewer stops at the gas station, saving you time and money in the long run. The comfortable interior and user-friendly features enhance the overall driving experience. The Corolla holds its value well, so you get a good return when upgrading. When it's time to sell or trade in your Corolla, you'll find that it retains a significant portion of its original value. This strong resale value is a reflection of the car's reputation for reliability and quality. Investing in a Corolla is a smart financial decision that pays off in the long term. Overall, the Toyota Corolla is the epitome of reliability, affordability, and practicality. It's a car that you can depend on day in and day out, no matter what life throws at you. From its robust engineering to its thoughtful design, every aspect of the Corolla is geared towards providing a hassle-free ownership experience. It's a no-brainer for families looking for a dependable car. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or just running errands around town, the Corolla is a trustworthy companion. Its blend of reliability, efficiency, and comfort makes it a standout choice in the crowded automotive market. So if you're in the market for a car that won't let you down, look no further than the Toyota Corolla. Next up, the Honda Civic, another heavy hitter in reliable and affordable family cars. The Civic has been a staple in the automotive world for decades, known for its blend of practicality and performance. The Civic and Corolla have been rivals for decades, and both are fantastic. These two models have consistently pushed each other to new heights, ensuring that consumers always get the best in terms of technology, safety, and comfort. Honda builds cars to last, using high-quality materials and rigorous quality control. The attention to detail in the manufacturing process is evident in every Civic that rolls off the assembly line. The Civic is fun to drive with a sportier suspension and responsive engine. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking a scenic drive through the countryside, the Civic's handling and performance make every journey enjoyable. It's incredibly fuel efficient, saving you money on gas. With rising fuel prices, the Civic's impressive miles per gallon can make a significant difference in your monthly budget. The Civic offers plenty of interior space and comfort. The seats are designed to provide support during long drives, and the cabin is spacious enough to accommodate a family with ease. Modern Civics come equipped with the latest technology and safety features. From advanced infotainment systems to driver assist technologies, the Civic ensures that you stay connected and safe on the road. Like the Corolla, it holds its value well. This means that when it comes time to sell or trade in your Civic, you can expect a good return on your investment. If you want a reliable, affordable, and fun-to-drive family car, the Honda Civic is worth a look. It's a true all-rounder. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates a well-made vehicle, the Civic has something to offer. Its blend of reliability, efficiency, and driving pleasure makes it a standout choice in the crowded compact car market. Plus, with a variety of trims and customization options, you can tailor the Civic to fit your personal style and needs. From sporty models to more luxurious trims, there's a Civic for everyone. So, if you're in the market for a new car, don't overlook the Honda Civic. Its legacy of excellence and continuous innovation make it a top contender in its class. For those who crave adventure, let's talk about the Subaru Outback. The Outback combines practicality, capability, and a go-anywhere spirit. Its all-wheel drive system provides incredible traction and stability in all weather conditions. Subaru's reliability is renowned, making the Outback a trusted choice. It's also comfortable with a spacious interior and supportive seats. The Outback comes with advanced safety features including EyeSight driver assist technology. It's fuel efficient for an all-wheel drive vehicle. If you want a reliable, capable, and adventurous family car, the Subaru Outback is an excellent choice. Let's switch gears and talk about the stylish and affordable Mazda CX5. Mazda has stepped up their game, and the CX5 is a prime example. It has a sleek design and is fun to drive with sharp steering and a peppy engine. The CX5 offers a spacious and well-designed interior with high-quality materials. Mazda ranks highly in reliability surveys, and the CX5 is no exception. It's a well-built SUV designed for years of trouble-free driving. If you want a stylish, affordable, and fun-to-drive family SUV, the Mazda CX5 is worth checking out. It's a great all-around package. For those on a tight budget, let's talk about the Hyundai Elantra. This compact sedan has been a favorite among budget-conscious buyers for years, and for good reason. It combines affordability with a surprising level of quality and features that you might not expect in this price range. Hyundai offers incredible value for money, and the Elantra is a prime example. With its competitive pricing, it stands out in a crowded market. But it's not just about the price. The Elantra delivers on multiple fronts, making it a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to get the most out of their investment. It has a sleek and modern design, looking more expensive than it is. The exterior styling is both elegant and sporty, with sharp lines and a bold front grille that give it a distinctive presence on the road. It's a car that turns heads without breaking the bank. The Elantra is spacious and comfortable with a well-designed interior. Inside, you'll find high-quality materials and a layout that prioritizes both driver and passenger comfort. The seats are supportive and there's plenty of legroom in both the front and rear, making it a great option for long drives or daily commutes. Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is impressive. This warranty is one of the best in the industry, providing peace of mind for years to come. It shows Hyundai's confidence in the durability and reliability of their vehicles, which is a significant consideration for budget-conscious buyers. The Elantra is reliable and durable, offering great value for families on a budget. It's a car that you can depend on, whether you're using it for daily errands, weekend getaways, or long road trips. The fuel efficiency is another strong point, helping you save money at the pump. It's a stylish, spacious, and well-equipped car. The dashboard is intuitive, with easy-to-use controls and a modern infotainment system that includes features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These tech features make every drive more enjoyable and keep you connected on the go. If you're looking for the most bang for your buck, the Elantra is worth a closer look. It's not just about the initial purchase price. The Elantra offers low maintenance costs and excellent fuel economy, which means you'll continue to save money over the life of the vehicle. It's an incredible value proposition. When you consider the combination of price, features, warranty, and overall quality, the Hyundai Elantra stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to maximize their automotive investment. It's a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice quality or style to stay within your budget. Lastly, let's talk about the Ford Fusion, proving American automakers can build a solid family sedan. The Fusion has improved in quality and reliability, offering years of dependable service. It's stylish with a sleek design and a comfortable, well-designed interior. The Fusion rides well, soaking up bumps and dips with ease. It has impressive fuel economy, including a hybrid option. The Fusion is a great choice for families looking for a stylish, comfortable, and reliable sedan. It's a well-rounded car that offers a lot to like. The Ford Fusion is an excellent option for families. So, there you have it, 6 fantastic options for reliable and affordable family cars. From the Toyota Corolla and Honda Civic to the Subaru Outback and Mazda CX5, there's something for everyone. Don't forget the value-packed Hyundai Elantra and the comfortable Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. Until next time, drive safe.